Okay, so let's go for one we push back. So go like that. Go there, so we're there, and then we go back. No, off her. Yeah, it might be nice. If Taylor, don't go so far back. Come there. Sit down here. I'll sit down here. So if you like, sit down here.
And I'll go further back.
And then you come like, so we're kind of in 2 lines.
Oh.
Might be nice. I quite like that.
As in like Taylor you then Sophie me.
Yeah. Don't know how that.
So then I kind of walk back to here?
I think just go the line. I think.
Or just like a line?
Yeah. I think. I don't know. I think that might be quite nice. So we sit down.
Yeah.
We're watching you.
I'm doing my
Go for it. You know the steps. So one is step. 2 breath. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. So steps first. But what if you want to do, if it's easier, make the first step a step and an arm. Is that easier?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So
Reach into their faces.
yeah. So 1 breath is 2, 3, 4, 5, which is reach out again, and 6 is claps.
Okay.
And 6 is like fold over, and then you go 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I do the other arm or the same arm?
Same arm. Keep it same arm.
And then
1. So.
Okay. 1. Okay. I didn't do the breath. Oh well. Yeah. Then back and step forward again.
Yes. Okay. And the breath.
Oh yeah.
1 breath. Lovely. 2, 3, 4.
Is this 1 breath?
No, back.
Back.
Like you fold over.
Yeah. Forward and
then forward. 1.
it's 1 again.
Yeah. You do the thing. You start
Should I do it a little bit different? Because otherwise I'm going back a bit too many times.
I'm going back once.
So I have that one. Back,
Because you have that one.
side,
You
side,
have that one.
forward.
You go 1 breath, side, side, out, back. 1.
So when you're doing 1 breath.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that's it. You've got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Yes. Love it.
Good. Yeah.
Okay. Great. I think Sophie, you get up first.
Okay.
Actually, you get up first, then Taylor after Sophie for a little bit, but leave it for quite a bit.
It's not good.
There it is. And then we'll black out.
I feel like a human mob. Are you okay dragging me? Is it okay? Should I stay sat on the ground?
No, I think, Sophie, when you walk up, leave a little bit of a gap between you and Alicia. So, yeah, leave a little bit of gap. You're just walking. It might even be nice. Do you know, we can see. Quite like everyone walking off. But what if it's just me dragging Alicia?
And we're just stood watching.
And you and Taylor keep sitting down, and it's just Sophie that gets up and walks.
Oh yeah.
Because I quite like to freeze on that. Like that. And you two keep sitting